In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store app on Mac. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, let's start with Android Studio. So Android Studio is an official app from Google. It's free and offers a wide variety of device types and OS versions and has no ads. So start by installing the Google's Android Studio. So pick the ARM version if you have a Mac that runs on Apple Silicon or M series. Now, once the download process concludes, go ahead and install Android Studio by following the on-screen instructions. Now launch the Android Studio app from the Applications folder when it's ready. Click Open when the security alert pops up. Now tap on More Actions to reveal additional app options, then select Virtual Device Managers, as you can see right here in the photo. Next, click on the Create Virtual Device button. Now choose one of the phone and tablet options available, then tap on Next. Note that not all emulator device options support the Google Play Store. So if you plan on downloading apps from the Play Store, pick a device with the Play Store icon next to it, so you can install APK files from external sources regardless of this selection. So make sure, as you can see from the screen, to select a device that has the Google Play Store icon. Now pick an Android OS version, then tap Next. Optionally, give your virtual device a name, then tap on Finish. Now tap the play button to launch the virtual device. Now give the emulator a few seconds to boot. Now you can then download and install Android apps through the Google Play Store after signing into your Google account. Alternatively, you could install APK files from web sources you trust, as you would normally do on an Android phone. You can then launch the app you've installed from the emulator's home screen. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.